Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you probably have seen from the title, I'm back with cooking videos. I know it's been so long, well, it feels like it's been so long, but life has been hectic. So we are going to do some banana bread, which is from the Slim and Well website, and it's 5 sins, which is not too bad. I've never cooked banana bread before, so this is my first. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see any more cooking videos, because I really do want to branch out a bit more, like get more harder cooking stuff to do instead of relying on the easy stuff, then let me know. Hit me up in the comment section below. I do want to do some like curries and maybe a roast dinner in time. But yeah, let me know. Sorry I look like crap. It's just one of them days. I'm just not feeling it. You know, you get them days. I've been so busy with BIGO, and you guys definitely need to hit me up over there because I'm constantly live over there. We can chat more. You can see me more. We can have fun, singing, dancing, chatting, everything. So yeah, I'll put my details for BIGO and all my other social media sites in the description bar below. I'm still raising stuff for the YMCA and the Children's Hospital, so my Amazon wishlist is down there as well, and also my merch line is down there as well. So guys, check all that out and let's get started with the cooking. Let's go. So the ingredients you'll need is 3 eggs, apple juice, I know, I was baffled, some sweetener, 2 bananas, baking powder and vanilla extract, and you also need a baking tin. Then you'll need high bran cereal, I know, weird, and then self-raising flour. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to do is get the 2 bananas, pop, and we're going to put them in this bowl here and we're going to mash them up. So that's the fun part in this. Again, obviously you've seen the ingredients. It's a bit weird with the apple juice, but we are going to play with it. So that's 1. And it's 5 sins as well. I love a bit of banana bread. I think we all do. So, and I've definitely missed cooking. That's for sure. I haven't done it in so long. We've got the bananas and we're just going to mash it up again. It's a bit hard with one hand, but we're going to do it. Mash it up. Like so. Again. So as you can see, mashing it up as much as you can, making sure there's no lumps in it, and it definitely gives your arm a great workout. So that is nearly done. So now we're going to swiftly move on to the brain flakes, you know, the cereals. We got to crush these up. So now you have to crush these up. So at the moment I'm just going to use my hand and make as much crunching as I can. So I put 1.5 cupfuls of these cereals into a bowl, which is 60 grams, and obviously you would think crushing them with your hands would be so easy. They're not. So we're going to use some rolling pin. Again, this makes your arm work. Wow. I just wish they had already crunched up ones. So I'm going to keep continuing to batter the life out of this until it's good enough, but then we're going to move on to the next recipe. So the next thing is to put the sweetener and apple juice, and so we're going to put 4 tablespoons of the sweetener in with the banana, like so, and 4. Then we're going to add the apple juice. Again, I don't know why, but so with the apple juice, you've got to put, I think it was 60 millilitres. So I've got my trusty cups, and it gives me the size. So it's like a 1/4 cup, 59 mils. So we're going to use this size to put the apple juice in. I'm still baffled as to why we put apple juice in. I don't think I've ever seen apple juice. If you guys have, then it must be normal. Ooh. So we have the apple juice. So we're going to get the cup. Here we go. Please don't make a mess. The cup over the bowl. And we're gonna, can you hear that fizzy? So we've got the apple juice in. Now I've crushed it up as much as I can. I'm gonna add that into the mixer, and we're going to mix it all the way around. This reminds me of like Cocoa Pops. But we're going to mix it all around, and then I will come back to you guys. So now, guys, we're going to put in the self-raising flour, and that's 60 grams, which is 1.5 cups. So we are going to do that. Where's the cup? So we're going to, it's always the way with flour, isn't it? You always muck up a mess. So 1 cup goes in here. So we're going to use a sieve. So we're going to put that load in, and we're going to do the other half. So now we're just going to shake, 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 senora, shake your body right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, so we're just going to sieve it all in. Looks like snow, but gonna sieve, sieve, sieve that in. We're gonna sniff it in. There we go, going down. That's the vanilla extract, and it is 5 to 6 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sticky, 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 always sticky. Always look on the bright side of life. Doo-doo. Now we're going to get our baking powder. Watch me muck it up. So this is 2 level tablespoons. So we're going to get our tablespoon. We're going to open the little packet. Taking our time. Finally got it open. Right, so it is 2 level tablespoons. Plop it in. Plop it in. We need 3 eggs. One. 2. 3. Here's the mixture. Very sticky. So we're going to mix all this, blend this all in, and then we are going to put it in our little bread tin and put it in the oven. So I've put it in the bread tin, and now we're going to put it in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. So say bye. So guys, the banana bread is in the oven. I've got about 9 minutes left now. Really nervous. I don't know what to expect, so I'm hoping it's okay. I think it's because some of the ingredients in it was a bit, so like apple juice was a bit, so can't really smell it, but we'll see. We'll see. We've got 9 minutes left, so I will definitely come back and let you know how it went on. So that is time up, so let's see. Whoa. You can't. Whoa. Wow. So this is the banana bread. It looks quite nice actually. Smells nice, you can smell the bananas. Hey guys, so the banana bread has now cooled down, so I'm going to try some. Bottoms up. That is really, really nice. I think I did a good job. You can't even taste the apple juice. You can taste the bananas. So nice. But another successful cooking from me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big massive thumbs up. Subscribe down below and click that notification bell so it'll notify you when I upload a video, and I will see you again next time, my butterflies. Bye guys.